The rich and the fake rich. Exposed. Welcome to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. And today we will be exposing the truth between the rich and the fake rich. In this world, we meet all kinds of people. We meet and interact with people from different backgrounds, races, and statuses of life. However, some individuals aren't who we thought they were. Maybe they pretend to be millionaires, stockholders, or celebrities, faking their identities. Why is this happening? Is it because they are embarrassed by their actual situations in life? Is it because they feel like they gain confidence by bragging about something they do not have? So, how do you tell when someone is genuinely wealthy, and how do you tell when someone is just faking it? In today's video, we will be tracking down the signs that could prove if someone is rich or fake rich. Let's start with the 3 things that fake rich people do most of the time. Sign number 1. A lavish lifestyle with little savings. You probably have friends or acquaintances who buy everything they want. They got it all. From an expensive smartphone, a brand new laptop, and signature clothes, and they keep traveling regularly. They attend super fabulous parties and concerts and try to treat the whole gang with or without a celebration. Sure, this sounds like an exhilarating lifestyle. And we'd be lying if we said we never wished to have access to this kind of luxury. But despite the way these people live, in reality, they are actually living beyond their means. You may notice that your friend is penniless during times of necessity or emergency, but doesn't admit it to anyone. They keep showing off that they can afford all the pricey things available, but they don't have anything stashed in the bank. They don't have a backup plan. They just keep spending their money and don't care if they end up broke the next day. It's not wrong to spend on things you love because you deserve it after working hard. But if you spend that much without enough money and savings in your account, you better try to fight the urge to pull the lavish lifestyle mask. Sign number 2. The need for validation and approval. To a fake rich person, everything revolves around impressing the people around them. Every day is a chance to seek approval for a fake rich. That's why they keep buying the things they don't actually need and can't afford. To show off what they have, they regularly post their latest purchases, from a silver watch to a branded bag and even travel tickets. They keep their Instagram profiles with items that don't really mean anything to them but will make their feeds look impressive. They keep worrying about what other people think and want to make an impression that they are way better than anyone. A fake rich person puts in too much energy to curate their feeds, daily outfits, and entire lives, just so no one suspects that they actually live an average life. They want the whole world to know that they are above the social system, when deep inside, they are constantly struggling to get validation. Sign number 3. More talk, less work, less outcome. A person pretending to be wealthy and comfortable in life will brag about the future. They will keep talking about their incredible plans, but they still end up unaccomplished. Their favorite subject? Themselves. They love going forward and presenting themselves as a very successful individual. A fake rich person will likely say they've achieved numerous recognitions, but they have too many excuses when asked about the details. They brag about things that aren't in their ownership yet, and possibly never will be. They like the thought of money in their hands, but they aren't actually financially educated enough to know how to manage their earnings. And those are the signs of a fake rich person. Enjoying this video so far? If yes, don't forget to like this content and hit the subscribe button to get instant updates from Money in Mind. Alright, now it's time to spot a genuinely rich person. Sign number 1. Flashy outfits are not their thing. A rich person is indeed sophisticated, but it doesn't necessarily mean they always wear glamorous outfits and golden accessories. In reality, a wealthy person feels confident with himself and doesn't need to prove their wealth to anyone. They don't try hard to appear prosperous to their peers. They have more important things to do than shopping and impressing other people. The rich do not need superficial expressions of wealth. They usually don't care how they look because they aren't fighting for any type of status symbol approval. Just take a look at Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg. You rarely see him wear a tux, right? Usually, you see him wearing the same gray t-shirt. The billionaire has a pretty exciting explanation for this. He explained that dressing the same way daily gives him enough time to make crucial decisions at work. We're not saying everyone who wears a gray t-shirt to work are billionaires, but you get the picture. Sign number 2. They don't show off. A rich person probably traveled to many far-off countries in their lifetime, but they don't flaunt everything on social media. Maybe they've traveled so much that it's too hard to keep up. The fake rich will do everything to showcase every single angle of a travel experience. Meanwhile, a rich person is possibly just used to the fact that traveling is normal and doesn't need to be spoken of to his 1,000 Facebook friends. Most rich people won't post about gift items taken from a luxury shop's opening day and brag about it on Instagram. A rich person won't declare to the whole Twitter community that he will travel to a new city in 6 months. It's most likely because they are used to this lifestyle that it doesn't really excite them that much anymore. And finally, sign number 3. The rich don't live for approval. One of the best things about many wealthy people is that they are some of the humblest people in the world. Aside from their humility, they are also charitable and always willing to help those in need. Many of them, if not all, don't really care about the acknowledgement they may get once they set their foot to give assistance to the poor. Meanwhile, the fake rich will flaunt their donations to impress a crowd. The humble rich do not need to boast to anyone. Plus, the rich have actual achievements rather than someone continuously pretending to be wealthy. There is definitely nothing wrong with experiencing the best that this life has to offer. No matter your life status, you have the right to get what you deserve. You have the right to create your social media profiles to their best appearance. You have the right to travel and get the taste of different cultures. But you also need to learn the art of humility, responsibility, and discipline. It's not embarrassing to be true to oneself. In fact, many of the most successful people today started at the bottom, but they worked their way up without pretending to be someone they're not. And that's it for today's video. Comment your thoughts, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind and join us on this exciting journey. Take care, and we'll see you.